welcome back to my YouTube channel Admirable Nandini Art and Craft. So today I am back with my tutorial. So today in my new video I am going to show you how to make easy DIY Singhasan for the Ganesh Chaturthi. As you know that Ganesh Chaturthi is near, so I thought an idea to make a Singhasan. So for decorating your room corners, and you can keep your Ganesh ji on that Singhasan, and you can decorate your room as well. So let's get started with the procedure. But before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and please hit a bell icon placed in the corner for getting latest updates from my upcoming videos. So let's get started with the procedure. So for making I have taken here a box in this size. Don't take the box too big. Only this size is
Oxalife cream bleach.
Only this size is okay for the Singhasan which I am using, or you can use according to your convenience and according to the size of your Ganesh ji. I am taking here sticky tape and adhering this box and just closing the lid. I have to cover this box using this pink sheet paper. After that, take your pencil and ruler and just keep this box like this on the horizontal side and just mark the edges like this.
My channel name is Admirable Nandini Art and Craft.
Now just increase this line using ruler as I am showing. Now using scissor cut this portion. Now keep the ruler on the first dent and just crease it using scissor on all the dents as I am showing. Now using your fingers and hands, just pinch it as I am showing. Now take here Fevicol and just firstly keep this box on the first and just add glue to its back. And just keep it on the first part and just adhere it like this as I'm showing, and add glue to this portion, second one, and stick it like this. Now just add glue to the third one part. Add glue to the last one.
This is my new Fevicol. Cut the extra part.
Now just fold it like this over this. See, now it is beautifully covered. Now let's make the back front. Now just take here a piece of cardboard and keep this box on it and just mark 2 marks and just increase those marks using ruler. Like this, and from here also increase it.
My new pencil.
Now just keep this, take here a pencil and compass and just keep this compass and here and just make here a semicircle. Now just cut this upper one semicircle. Cut this semicircle, and now I have drawn here a semicircle inside this too, and just cut it using scissor. See, I have cut it the inside one also. After that, take here a glitter one sheet of pink color, and I have taken here a foam sheet, and just keep this, and using pencil trace it over here. Now, and same way trace the inside one semicircle, and just
My name is.
see, now I have cut it the same as this cardboard piece. Now just I'm gonna stick it over this or flap it. Now add Fevicol to this and flap it over it, and just stick it like this. Let it dry for some time. Now let's move to the third step, and I have taken here a half strip of orange color quilling strip, and just using quilling tool I'm gonna coil it and make a tight coil. Now just remove it from the quilling tool, and just in your hand loosen it like this, and take the Fevicol and secure the end as I'm showing like this. Now make a teardrop shape and pinch it from the top, and see the teardrop shape is ready. Same way I have created 12 blue and 12 orange shades like this. Now I have taken here a sticky tape in the color one shade, and I have taken here a golden color, and just adhere it on the ends of the seat. I applied the sticky tape on the base to make it good looking. Now just let's decorate the top one. Now take back your back one portion and your pulling teardrop shapes, and just take your heated glue one and add little glue gun to it and stick it as I'm showing. Just leave the gap, then start adhering it. Now make a pattern, one blue, one orange, one blue, one orange. See how beautiful it is looking. I have sticked all the teardrop shape on this backdrop. See how beautiful it is looking. Now using hot glue gun, add little glue gun on the right and left side of its end, and just stick it on its back. Now let's make a cushion for the Singhasan. So this one type of cushion I have made, and now I will tell you the other how to make. Just take here a piece of cloth bag and just use your finger and roll it like this. Like this you have to roll. Using hot glue gun, secure its end.
My YouTube channel contains only videos
Like this. Instead of securing it using hot glue gun, you can also stitch its end, but for the less time I am using here hot glue gun. Now take here a piece of pink color paper and just fold it into half, and take here a shapes ruler, and I am drawing here this circle one shape.
You can buy this from Flipkart, Amazon. Geomart.
Now just using scissor cut it. Now you will get here 2 circles. Now just see, I have secured its end. Now I will fill the cotton inside it to make it fluffy. Now just take the pencil and insert it. Don't use much cotton, and just now like this, hold together, and now like this. White pearl, and just using hot glue gun, add it on this side, and see, your 2 cushions are ready. See, your Singhasan is completely dry. Now I have taken here the size piece of rectangular paper, and I am going to hide this front one side. Now just add glue to this paper. Now just flap it over this part. Now I am taking here up sticky stars, and I'm gonna stick it on it. I'm gonna take here a silver one, and just see how beautiful it is looking, and you can put your cushions at the both side.
Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.
Please